Hi, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please do subscribe down below. My name is Adiola and I upload videos about Africa, travel and lifestyle. So if you're interested in videos on those topics, please do subscribe down below and join our community. Today is another exciting video. We are doing a Lithuania vlog. I'm in Vilnius, the capital, and I will be heading out. Usually I try to get an early morning flight so I can see the city and then show you around, but there was only one flight today, so I ended up getting here around 9 p.m. It's about 11 now, so I'm going to start my vlog with the pub crawl, with the night out. I actually couldn't find any pub crawls in Vilnius, which was unfortunate, but I did find an Afrobeat and Amapiano night. Checked out the DJs, it looks really, really good. So I'm very excited to be heading there now. And yeah, hopefully tonight isn't too wild so I can wake up early and show you what the city also looks like. So I'm very excited for the night out. Let's go. If it doesn't change, I think I might have. Okay, so I'm ending my pub crawl night out fiasco here because it's an Afrobeats night and they don't play a lot of Afrobeats. It was quite disappointing, if I'm honest, and expensive. So yeah, calling it a day. So finally back at the hotel. I will check in with you guys tomorrow because I feel so hungover already. It's because I had loads of vodka tonight and me and vodka and Malibu don't agree, so I shouldn't have done that. That was a mistake. But yeah, we'll talk tomorrow. Okay, hello, good morning. So today is my first official day in Vilnius, Lithuania. So I'm just about to explore. I'm actually going outside of the city today. I'm going to Trakai Castle, which is a gorgeous castle that's surrounded by ocean. So yeah, that's surrounded by like a lake or ocean, so it's like it's enclosed around water. I'll show you when I get there. It's only like half an hour away from Vilnius, so it's not too bad. I think I'll take a bus there. I'm quite close to the bus train station, so it should be relatively easy to get to, and I'll show you when I get there. It's going to the afternoon now because you would have seen last night I stayed out really late purely because I wanted to hear Afrobeats, and I didn't even hear that many Afrobeat songs, so I just called it a night at like 3:30. Anyways, enough about yesterday. Today is a new day, so I'm very, very excited to see Trakai Castle, and then tomorrow I'll be actually seeing Vilnius in itself as well. So yeah, let's go. So I'm currently on the way to the train station. I can see it now. I'm going to try and find a bus or a train going to Trakai and also go to the shops as well. It's really cold. Don't let the sun deceive you. It's really, really cold today. So we just made it into Trakai. Look how gorgeous this lake is behind me. Absolutely stunning. So we're just walking to the castle now. I don't really know where it is. I'm just following a group of people, but I'm sure I'll find it. And yeah, I'll show you what it looks like. In and out, in and out, in and out, arguing, trifling, difficult. Okay, so I'm still on my way to the castle. I'm making my way there now. It's a much longer walk than I expected, but it's super beautiful because, as you can see, walking down this like Balamory looking type of road, all these houses are wooden, but they're also colourful as well, so it's very beautiful scenic walk. I finally found the castle right behind me there, and we're about to head in, so let's go. Just made it to the castle behind me. Absolutely stunning, this walkway. Okay, let's explore inside. Feel it in my heart, feel it in my soul, feel it in my body, if it's that I got you to know. Never fall out of love. Okay, so we're heading from room to room. It's a bit of a maze. I don't think I started in the correct place, but yeah, we'll see what else we can find. Okay, so I just found like a cellar tunnel, so I'm going to start heading down. Yeah, this place is very strange. There's no real directions or anything. It's just like you just walk around. So yeah, let's go down. At the castle behind me. I'm going to head back now to Vilnius. I'm wondering whether I should take a taxi because the next train is in about 2 hours and I don't really want to wait around. It's really windy, really cold, and I just much rather be by myself. But I'll show you if I get up to anything else. I saw some souvenirs further down, so I think I might get some. Whatever it is, pray that it never hits you. Hello, good morning. So today is another day in Vilnius. I'm currently going to explore Vilnius right now. I have a walking tour, so I'm going to make my way to that, and it should be really good. I forgot to actually say as well, in my hotel room I can actually see downtown, so I'm not too sure if my camera is picking it up, but all of that is downtown, so that is where we'll be heading today. I'm super excited to see it. It looks gorgeous from the offset, so I just know it's going to be gorgeous when I go down there as well. So let's go. Okay, so I'm on my way to the walking tour and it started raining. Oh no, I'm really just hoping that the rain doesn't last too long and stays quite light, but who knows.
War Vilnius suffered a lot. Thousands of Lithuanians were deported to Siberia, so sometimes we say it's not this terrible war, it's not so dramatic as Soviets here. Today in Lithuania we have around 5 million people. Do you remember the idea that there are 3 million of us? Well, the difference is really big. And today the trend is like this, more want to show to the rest of the world that we are Western, that we are very pro-European, that we don't really have too much to do with Syrian identity any longer. In 2004, we joined the European Union. 30% of all non-white society. You're thinking we did it was actually modernized by the Soviets in such a way that we built houses. In some areas they just left open squares, and in some areas they added the amazing pieces of Soviet architecture.
Okay, so we just been to this church over here. So after Soviet ruling, it was actually converted the space. So now it's used as a restaurant. There's a chapel on the 3rd floor, and it's also used as just a space for the youth as well, which is very, very interesting.
That was the English food that we had. It's not about the geography, it's about the philosophy. So for instance, there is a bar on the other side of the river. It's the parliament of the church. All the important decisions are made in the parliament.
Okay, so we're currently at the border now for a republic called Uzupis, which is actually in Lithuania, but they've declared themselves independent from Lithuania. So I'm currently crossing the bridge to enter the new republic, Uzupis, and apparently you can also get your passport stamped here, which is super, super cool. So that's a plan for me to do also. Hopefully they also have some souvenirs, which I'll get as well. So all along the riverbanks, you can see artwork and also sculptures, which is really, really cool. So behind me is the flag of the Republic, and then we also have all the Constitution translated across here as well. So I'll just go to the English one and show you some of the Constitution rules because they are pretty hilarious. Okay, so we have things like here, number 3, everyone has the right to die, but it's not an obligation. Number 13, a cat is not obliged to love the owner, but must help in the time of need. So we're currently still walking around Vilnius on the walking tour, and they've just mentioned that there are over 30 churches in the old town alone. So yeah, we've just walked past like about 3 different churches, and they're also so beautiful. Unfortunately we can't go inside because of the walking tour, but I will try and return to them and show you what the insides look like.
Just the beginning, it don't get no better. As long as you hold down, I'll be up for whatever. And I love the way you look, because I see forever. I'm ready before, but I want you now more than ever. You make me wanna put the phone down. When we're alone, I wanna zone out. Baby, with you I ain't got no doubt. Just tryna let you know that
So we just made it to the top and the views are absolutely breathtaking. Just have a look. The views are so beautiful, and I'll show you what inside the castle also looks like.
Your loving, I better find your heart. I better find your loving. I better find your heart. I better find your loving. I better find your heart. I better find, give all my love, and nothing's gonna tear us apart.
Bell Tower. Unfortunately, the lift is out of service today, which is such a shame, but I'm contemplating whether doing it anyways, because it actually closes on Friday permanently, so they won't be open ever again. So I'm debating whether to go or not.
Most of the things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You know what I'm saying. You'll try to come back when you fail. I always want the truth, but it's dead. You got something real, not bad. You wanna get with me, stop. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase.
These stairs are absolutely no joke.
I always wanted to do but it's dangerous. You got something real, not base. You wanna get with me, stop.
Views from the top. That was a workout. The views are absolutely amazing, and the breeze feels so good.
And I get up and say every time that I post, damn. The party not lit, then I'd rather not go. If she feeling hot, then I make that bitch frozen. I get up and say every time that I post. It's not bad, they be on my ass. I can hear you hating from the back. Balenciaga baddie got a bag. Nigga munching, ate it from the back. Nigga feeling gotta play it cool.
Okay, so we've just made it up from the bell tower of St. John's Church. So the views are absolutely stunning up here. It is quite windy, but it is really good. I will show you what they look like, but it's also a great way for me to wrap up my video. So if you enjoyed the vlog, please do like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
The party not lit, then I'd rather not go. If she feeling hot, then I make that bitch frozen. I get up and say every time that I post. Damn. Look in the mirror, I'm feeling me. Stacking money with a ceiling. 20 to stand on the couch, went out of town, fuck if they feeling me. He like the way that I dress. Throwing bullets to the flex. Like Mimi, I got him obsessed. Them bitches see me as a threat. The baddest in the room, so tell them to make room. Diamonds glisten on my boob. They gon' listen